Good morning, guys. I'm about to pull up on a ice maker. It was leaking water. The valve wasn't shutting off properly. And you can also, how to know if these valves are bad like that. 9 times out of 10, you can look where the fill tube is, which I'll have some pictures up, and you'll see where that fill tube would be frozen. So that's letting you know that valve ain't shutting off for the ice maker side. Alright, so we went there to put the water valve on, and now his refrigerator's not cooling. Looked at the evaporator. The evaporator is weak. I will show you what it looked like in a picture in the next clip. So this is the evaporator I was going to show you guys. As you can see, it has just a minimum frost up and down on the evaporator. This is a problem. It has a seal system issue. It's a lot of them. It's a lot. How y'all doing today? Yeah, I know, right? This is what I love about some of these jobs we go to with some of these property management companies on the beach. The ice maker will shut off. Therefore, when I shut the ice maker, turned it on, it dumped the ice that was in it, and it filled. So therefore, there ain't nothing I can do. It's fully functioning. Got that service charge. Old-fashioned breaker flip. They were saying that it worked, and then it didn't. Well, the dryer's not going to function if the breaker is halfway tripped, because it's not getting the correct power that it needs to get. So this dryer unit still wanted to flip the breaker after I had tripped it back. So we're just going to go through. We're going to check this thermostat. We're going to check the thermostat down here. And also we're going to make sure that the element's not grounded out. What you do is you pull one of the leads off and you find a ground, and then hit one of the leads. If you got continuity when you touch the ground, that means that the element is grounded out somewhere. And that's what's causing it. Alright, so the door seal had a call in about a refrigerator. The bottom was being iced over. There was ice everywhere. Had a good feeling that it was going to be the door seal. And sure enough, it was. That's pretty self-explanatory. When you go on the fridge and you see that the seal is not sealing properly, it also had a tear in it. That's going to allow humidity to get into the refrigerator. And that's any refrigerator. That's on the freezer side, fresh food side. You're going to have that issue. It will build up frost. And when you see frost around the doors and on the rails and different things like that, that's how you're going to know that you need to replace the door seal and that you need to try to locate where the air is coming in at around the seal. Alright, so we got 2 door seals today. And as you can see here, it's causing this frost here. Check this out. No seal, man. No seal, no good. Seal over here. No seal. Here on a Samsung refrigerator, the evaporator fan motor has quit working. Therefore, not allowing the cool air to circulate through the refrigerator properly. There has been some change in temperature, but we're going to be replacing it. So here's the evaporator fan motor that's on the back panel inside the freezer part. You need to remove the 4 screws to be able to change the evaporator fan motor. Once you get the screws out, you should be able to pull the motor out, and you need to get the blade off the motor. Be careful, these fan blades can break. There's also the rubber seals or spacers that's going to hold it in place. Remove those. You can get this off Amazon for like 40 bucks. Alright, I'm headed to the last job for today. Got to put a control board in on a dishwasher. The code was throwing up for a dishwasher pump motor. We put the pump in it, it's still throwing up the code. So, we're going to replace the control board. I'm confident this will fix it, but it's Friday, y'all. I'm ready to enjoy my weekend. I'm going to have some training videos posted up, and also going to be doing a video on how to get used appliances and what kind of appliances to look for to buy and resell. Alright, see y'all in the next clip. Alright guys, we made it through the week. We had a great week. Hope y'all did the same. It's the weekend. We about to enjoy our weekend, but I appreciate you guys tagging along with me throughout the week. We're going to be doing this on a daily basis. I'm going to be working on these training videos this weekend that I've been recording. And to my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. To my ones that's been here with me, Thank y'all for the supports and likes. And y'all have a good weekend. See you Monday morning.